Hello family, welcome and welcome back to the channel. I hope you are all doing great. In today's video I'm going to share with you how to make DIY avocado body lotion step-by-step tutorial. Let's get straight to the video. I'm going to start the video by wiping my working surface, and then I already pre-washed my avocado right there. Today I'm going to be using that one small sized avocado, and it's ripe that you're seeing right now. I'm going to go in with my kitchen towel and just dry it up as shown in the video. Then I'm going to go ahead and cut my avocado in half as shown in the video. After cutting my avocado, I'm now going to go ahead and scoop my avocado and set it aside in my white bowl right there next to me. So when choosing your avocado, just make sure that you choose the one that is a little ripe, so it will be easy for you to scoop out, or you can just roll it up on a hard ground to make it extra soft. And then moving on, I'm now just going to go ahead and mash my avocado with my spoon right there as shown in the video. So when doing this, just make sure that you take your time to mash your avocado up very well, and make sure that it doesn't have lumps on it. In today's video, I'm going to be using coconut oil as my carrier oil. I'm going to go ahead and add exactly 12 tablespoons of liquid coconut oil to my pot right there. So for today's video, you can actually use solid coconut oil, or you can use olive oil, whichever one you have at home. Just grab it and make this particular beauty DIY video or recipe. After adding my oil right there, I'm now going to go ahead and add my mashed avocado right there inside my oil. So you guys, to make our body lotion, our avocado body lotion, we have to make avocado oil first. So that's what we are preparing right now. After adding my mashed avocado to my pot with oil, I'm going to go ahead and fire up my stove, and then I'll add my pot. And then all I'm just going to do is to cook this mixture on low heat for at least 20 to 25 minutes. You have to make sure that your heat is low, and another thing you have to do, you have to keep checking on it and stirring it just to make sure that it doesn't burn from below. It will make your oil smell bad. Yeah. If you're new here, I'm reintroducing myself. I'm Angugo Sharon. I do lots and lots of hair tutorials. Check them out on my channel. I also do DIY beauty recipes like the one you're watching right now. Check out my other videos. I also do cleaning videos and cleaning motivation videos, and I also do some mom vlogs, and I also cook some healthy recipes. Check out my other videos in my channel. I know you're going to love a bunch of my videos, and kindly make sure you subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you don't miss my uploads. After a few minutes, my avocado oil is almost ready, but the 20 minutes are not yet over. I just turned off my stove to check on it, and then I'm going to fire up my stove again. As you can see, it's bubbling and cooking, and then all I'm going to do is to just let it cook for the remaining minutes as shown in the video. And as I said before, you have to check on it. If you're new to my channel, check out my other DIY beauty recipes. They are step-by-step tutorial for beginners. My oil is now ready. It's now 20 minutes. I'm just going to turn off my stove, and then I'll let my oil cool completely. You have to do that. And here we are. After some time, our oil is now cold and it's ready for our next step. I'm just going to go ahead and strain my oil. So for today, I'm going to be using my clean kitchen towel to strain my oil. First, I'm going to wipe everything that I'm going to be using. I'm going to be using that tiny container that you've seen right there just to strain my oil once. I'm just going to go ahead and add my clean kitchen towel, that blue towel that you can see right now right there on my container. Then I'm going to go ahead and add my avocado oil, that we just prepared a while ago. And then now I'm going to collect together my kitchen towel as shown in the video. And when doing this, don't just pull it once. You can pour out your oil that is already inside your container, so you have to do it gently. And then moving on, I'm just going to go ahead and use my hand to squeeze my oil out. So when doing this tutorial, you guys, you have to make sure that you wash your hands before you start doing this tutorial. Even if you don't like to wash your body, just make sure you wash your hands. Sure you wash your hands if you're not wearing any gloves. And as you can see, I'm now done squeezing out my oil, and our avocado oil looks so good. Look at that color. It looks so beautiful, you guys. I love this DIY avocado oil. And then moving on, let's just go ahead and start preparing our lotion. I'm going to wipe up my container right there, and then to it I'm just going to add my avocado oil that we just made. And I'm also going to be adding some solid body oil. So that's the oil I add at home. You can use Vaseline. I just added 2 tablespoons of it. And then to my mixture, I'm also going to be adding a little bit of my body lotion. I'm going to use that Nivea body lotion that you've seen right now. I just added a little bit of it, like I said before. And I'm also going to add my leftover carrot oil from my previous video. As you've seen, it's just a little bit of it, so it's optional. You don't have to add carrot oil if you don't have any at home. Then I'm going to go in with my spoon right here and just mix this thoroughly as shown in the video. So all I'm doing is just mixing this mixture together really well, just to make sure that our body lotion is combined well. So today I'm not going to be using any hand mixer. I'm just going to be using my spoon right there, and look at that. This is the consistency that I have right now, and I feel like it's not just good enough for me, so I'm just going to keep mixing this well for a few more minutes, thoroughly as shown in the video. So here we are again, you guys. Our body lotion is ready, and it's super thick, and the color is just so beautiful, you guys. If you feel that your body lotion is not mixed well, you can just go ahead and continue mixing it until the consistency that you want. And then after my body lotion is ready, I'm just going to go ahead and add it to my container right there as shown in the video, and then I'll keep it at room temperature So since this avocado oil was homemade and it's looking so good, and we took our time to prepare it, this lotion can last for 6 to 9 months. Just have to keep it away from the sun and just keep it at room temperature. And look at that, it's looking so good, you guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. Kindly make sure it's subscribe to my channel for more videos. See you in my next video. Bye, and remember to turn on your notification bell so you don't miss my uploads.